Okay, so now I'm just going to quickly do the other two. So this is just more practice at taking images from the folder and placing them on the right timeline. So I'm doing 5, 6, 7, 8 and dragging them to snacks. I'm also then taking my warning color again. Let me zoom in. And I'm going to use the extend the duration here. And now I'm going to fix each one of these. So I'm at the very beginning of apples. I open up the motion and scaling it down to wherever I can. And then make a little decision about, oh, right there, I want apricot to be visible. If it's too close, then maybe I can just type in 39 here, and now there's no red at all. Next one, I can click here, drag to the beginning. That makes sure I'm at the very first one. I'm going to scale down, and then I'm going to decide I'm going to start at the top and then move my way down. Again, maybe just type in by numbers and get that at the very top. I could also do this, but it's easier to grab it up here. Scale and move. This one I'll start at the bottom and work my way to the top. Most I can scale this down is to there, and then I can maybe start at that, or maybe I want to see the jerky. Yeah, that's a good starting point right there. Let me open up my last category, movies. It's empty. I'm going to take 9, 10, 11, 12, put them on the timeline, take my warning color, extend it to the end. Zoom in here. Notice it will zoom in wherever the laser is. So you can zoom in on a specific place if you need to. Going to the beginning, opening motion, scale it down. This one I can scale way down to 44 before the red starts to show up. So I'm going to do that right there. Go to the beginning. Remember, this one we cannot scale down at all. It's going to have to stay at 100% because it's exactly the width of our video. So we decided we were either going to start at the top and go down on the faces, or start with just their faces and then go to the name of the movie. But that is now the starting point for each of the different categories, and then they will eventually all end up on master. I will show you what that looks like now. You don't need to do this quite yet. I'm going to take my 3 categories, just like images, and drag them to the video timeline. And now we've got all of the pictures in 3 different sequences, one after the other. So my total is, as was predicted, 48 seconds in length. Next, we'll start animating.